This video is to demonstrate how to embed a campaign on a website. First, we'll go to the campaign page. And then we'll find a campaign that we would like to embed, maybe one that we created. So I'm going to click on the first one here. And then on the right side, you will see an embed button. You will go ahead and click this button, and you could copy the embed code, which is an iframe, right here. Then exit out. And then to add it to your website, I went ahead and downloaded a template, an HTML template, just to demonstrate on. So I'm going to go ahead and open that up. So I went ahead and opened up the HTML template. It was a free template, looks a little poor. I went ahead and added the campaign section right here. So I will go ahead and go to a code editor for it. This is the same files. And I'll go down to the index page, since that's the page we are on. And I will go to campaigns, and then in here I will go ahead and embed one of the campaigns. I'm going to select two other ones that I like as well, so maybe this one. And one more. Let's go with this one right here. And then paste that one. So I'll go ahead and save it and refresh the index page. So we could see that all the campaigns have been embedded over here. And that is pretty much how you could add them to your website. It's just copying the code and pasting it into some HTML. And what the embed code will do is you could go ahead and view details, and it will lead you to the page on GroupGets. And that is it.